Leveling surveyors in Dadri, Noida, play a crucial role in construction projects by ensuring that the land is properly leveled and graded. These surveyors use specialized equipment and techniques to accurately measure the elevation of different points on a site. This information is then used to create detailed contour maps, which are essential for determining the optimal placement of structures and infrastructure. The leveling surveyors in Dadri, Noida, are highly skilled professionals who have extensive knowledge of surveying principles and techniques. One of the key responsibilities of leveling surveyors in Dadri, Noida, is to establish reference points on the site. These reference points serve as benchmarks for measuring the elevation of other points on the site. The surveyors use a variety of tools, such as levels and total stations, to measure the height difference between these reference points and other points on the site. By accurately determining the elevation of different points, the surveyors can ensure that the land is properly leveled and graded, which is essential for preventing drainage issues and ensuring the stability of structures. In addition to measuring elevation, leveling surveyors in Dadri, Noida also play a crucial role in ensuring that structures are built in accordance with design plans. They work closely with architects and engineers to understand the design requirements and specifications for a project. Based on this information, they create detailed elevation drawings that show how the land should be leveled and graded to accommodate the planned structures. These drawings serve as a guide for contractors and construction crews during the building process. By ensuring that the land is appropriately leveled and graded, leveling surveyors in Dadri, Noida, play a significant role in construction projects. These surveyors precisely measure the elevation of various spots on a site using specific tools and methods. The best locations for structures and infrastructure are then determined using these details, which are utilized to produce detailed contour maps. Leveling surveyors in Dadri, Noida, are highly qualified experts with in-depth understanding of surveying principles and procedures. Creating reference points on the site is one of the main duties of leveling surveyors in Dadri, Noida. These reference locations act as standards for determining other points on the site's elevation. The surveyors measure the height difference between these reference points and other points on the site using a range of equipment, including levels and total stations. The surveyors can verify that the land is properly leveled and graded, which is crucial for avoiding drainage problems and guaranteeing the stability of structures, by precisely determining the elevation of various places. Leveling surveyors in Dadri, Noida, are essential in ensuring that structures are built in compliance with architectural plans in addition to measuring elevation. To comprehend the design criteria and requirements for a project, they collaborate closely with architects and engineers.